Hello goalies, welcome to the fourth installment of the ASI Goalie Homework. Today what we're going to be looking at is our compact shuffles and how to make sure that anytime players are skating with the puck and changing angles, we remain center and square to them with good depth. As you can see here, I've isolated a pre-shot just as the shooter is about to release the puck. We have Eric McGinnis in the net, and he's illustrating perfectly how we remain center and square to that puck, okay, with hips, okay, shoulders, and feet directly surrounding that puck with full squareness and covering this net area all around here. So to make sure that we're always remaining center and square, we use a movement which is called compact shuffles. So in order to show you this, we're going to just start a drill or show you a drill that you guys can film for 20 seconds of your best rep. Or, if you don't have that luxury, just take this drill, show it to your coach, and you can practice this. So, you're not going to be able to see the shooter out in the corner here. We have a shooter out in the corner here, and then we obviously have a shooter here. As you can see, Eric is posted up with a good ankle lock and standing on a 45-degree angle, but he's flattening out. As you see, he's a little flatter than usual. His legs and hips aren't square to this face-off dot because he has to flatten out in order to reposition to get to this high slot shooter who's just waiting for a pass. So in order to show you guys this drill, remember we're going to be doing everything from the first 3 weeks and push it and make sure you guys are doing and executing everything you learned prior. And this kind of has a mixture of all 3 weeks, so Ava will be able to go over that with you guys. So this first movement, what it's going to have is a T-push sequence from the pass out from the corner. Eric uses a shuffle glide here, but I suggest for you younger goaltenders to go ahead and T-push out, angle before depth, and grab your depth on top of the ice here. So I'm going to go ahead and just play this video. As you can see, Eric's just going to head check prior to this. Just to see, quickly moves with his eyes first, pushes, sets his feet as quick as possible. He's in really good set center square positioning here. As you can see here, before I push play, Eric's going to wait before he starts shuffling there. You see that? Little hesitation. I'll back it up a little bit to go over that again. You can see that the shooter moves just slightly before Eric starts moving because Eric wants to get that shooter slightly ahead of him so that when he's done moving, he's not over pushing and giving up that short side. As you can see, since he's turned first, so he squares up to the puck, then compact shuffles, he'll be able to remain center and square to that net. So going back all the way to the start here, I want you guys to count how many times Eric shuffles here with this shooter moving probably about 10 to 15 feet. So let's play this from the start. Eric's simply going to head check this shooter first. Quick head check, okay, realize where he is. He's then going to flatten out. He's already flattened out in this video, but he beats the pass. How many times he shuffles? Okay? If you guys said 1, then the right answer, because you barely have to move with these compact shuffles. And what ends up happening, again, we'll go back to it, if you over shuffle, let's say he end up doing 2, maybe 3, he's going to give up that short side. Okay, so it's very important when we do this that we make sure we turn first, so that gives us the delay to let the shooter go first. Then we use short compact shuffles to remain centered, and we make the adjustment after the shooter gets ahead of us. So let's go ahead and play that. He turns first, as you can see there, and he does a couple, maybe 1, maybe 1.5 shuffles there, sets his feet, and then reacts. And he should be able to catch that puck, but juicy rebound. But either way, I showed you that sequence because Eric does a great job of turning his feet and then going first so that he doesn't get ahead of the shooter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure that you do both sides, and we'll see you next time.